Do you know daikon greens or white radish leaves not only have nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, magnesium, but they are also known for their cancer fighting compound called glucosinolates? So let's make an absolutely simple yet delicious recipe with these leaves. Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. I've taken 3 fresh radishes and I'm gonna chop off their leaves from top, then wash all the leaves thoroughly under running water. Once cleaned properly, finely chop them. Remember, do not discard any stem. We are gonna use whole bunch of leaves. Now in 1 tablespoon of oil, cook some chopped garlic followed by cumin seeds, green chilies and a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Saute them and then add all the chopped leaves. Now this is optional for you, but I have also chopped and added tiny pieces of 1/4 radish. Add salt and mix everything together. Then cover and cook it for around 10 minutes. They don't take much time, so after 10 minutes, check it once. If you feel like you can cover and cook it for few more minutes, but for me it's perfect. So saute it on a high flame for a couple of minutes so that all the excess water dries out. Then take handful of roasted peanuts and blend it into a fine powder. Add this powder into it, followed by some cilantro or coriander leaves. So that's it. Take it out on a plate and serve it hot. If you have diabetes or anemia, please start incorporating these radish or daikon leaves frequently in your meals. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, you guys please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications right away as I post a video. Stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.